Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this consultation series. We're going to give you all kinds of tips and tricks for effectively and properly lighting up your home. If you want to get your free consultation, just shoot me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca. Send me a few pictures and we'll give you a video presentation of what lights are going to work best with your property, or go and visit us at lightingdoctor.ca or go check out all our videos on YouTube. So now that we've selected our lights, I often talk about you got to go and just place all the lights roughly where you want them. You're going to want to come back at night, see how everything looks, because you might want to make some adjustments. But usually I'll go around and just do that. Just dig a small hole, place the lights, get them set where I think I want them, and leave lots of room, because the other thing I always suggest is leave lots of extra wire at every single fixture, so that if you do need to move them, you're not having to cut wires. You can just move the light around and you've got lots of wire to play with. And the other reason you want to dig that big hole is because then you can easily hide that wire and bury it nice and snug when you're all done. So it's really the first step is placing your lights, laying out the wire, and then going to get everything wired up, which I'll show you how we do now. Sometimes I get asked, can I cut into a wire and tee off? Say I've got one light that's off in the distance and I want to cut into this and just add an extra wire out to a certain area. And yes, you definitely can. That's why we put two kinds of connectors in all our do-it-yourself kits. And it's really simple to do, is you just take your line that you need to cut into, and again, make sure you've got some extra wire to play with. Cut into it. You're going to strip off the ends of both sides of that wire. You only need to strip about 3/4 of an inch to an inch off the ends of that is all you need. And then with whatever wire that you're going to run out to your fixture now, you lay that out and you're going to strip the ends off of that as well. And now, because this is slightly different than when you're wiring a fixture, you notice we've got 3 sets of wires and they're all larger wires. So with the typical BVS2 snap lock connectors that we use, you're not going to fit all those in there. So what we use is something called a DVRY connection. So basically from those 3 wires you just spliced, you're going to connect one wire from each of those together, twist them tight with your Marette, and then very simply you take your DVRY gel filled connector that's full of gel that keeps the water out. It slides right on there and then it snaps tight on the wires, and that connection is not going to come apart on you. So that's why we use that anytime we have to tee in. And you're going to do the exact same thing with your other set of 3 wires. Wire those together, throw on your Marette, use your gel filled connector, push it in the tube, and then snap those tight. And that's how you're going to tee off if you need to tee off just one wire to another fixture. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools on how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.